I've seen the good and the bad to the highest and lowest degree. I'll be the last man standing. That and this is my creed. When everything is silent, I know that I won't be blind. I'll be the sole survivor left on the island. That is my mind. You may call it crazy, the only way that I can cope. Ask me why nothing seems to faze me, because you see I'm hanging by a rope. For I've seen the good and the bad to the highest and lowest degree. I'll be the last man standing. That and this is my creed. When everything is silent, I know I won't be blind. I'll be the sole survivor left on the island. That is my mind. You may surround yourself with paupers and hold your cane just like a king. Converse with those who know nothing, yet have opinions on everything. Trade away your suit coat, it will no longer keep you warm. Just like you, it's traveled many times. Become beaten, ripped and torn. Yeah. So you think you felt pain, just change into a new pair of shoes. With everything that you've gained, you've got more than nothing left to lose. Think of the mountains you've climbed and the rivers you've managed to cross, knowing that those who had it all still ended up being lost. I've seen the good and the bad to the highest and lowest degree. I'll be the last man standing. That and this is my creed. You know it still amazes me that I haven't yet lost hope. I'll be the last man standing on the last damn thing left afloat. I'll be the last man standing on the last damn thing left afloat.